Hello everyone and my dear student. I again welcome to all on my study channel based on 12th Information Technology syllabus. This is Poonam Kamthe, lecturer in Information Technology Department of Aryan Junior College of Arts, Commerce and Science, Camp Pune. In today's lecture I am going to explain you inserting audio in HTML5. The audio tag is used to embed sound content in a document such as music or other audio stream. To play an audio file in HTML, we use audio element. Means using audio tag we can insert audio file in HTML document. The basic syntax of audio tag is given with audio and /audio. Here is attribute of audio tag. First attribute is autoplay. Autoplay specifies that the audio will start playing as soon as it is ready. Next attribute is controls. Controls specify that the audio controls should be displayed such as play and pause button, etc. Next attribute is loop attribute. Loop attribute specify that the audio will start over the given time it is finished. Means when we write loop is equal to 3, then it will run the audio file 3 times. Next attribute is muted. Muted specifies that audio should be muted whenever it is run. Next attribute is search, SRC. Value of SRC attribute is URL, means Uniform Resource Locator. Its SRC attribute specify the URL of audio file. Means SRC attribute contains address of audio file that you want to play in HTML document. The text between audio and /audio tag will be displayed in browser that do not support the audio element. Means ऑडियो एंड /audio के बीच में जो टेक्स्ट होता है वो कब दिखाई देता है, जब आपका जो ब्राउज़र है वो सपोर्ट नहीं करता होगा ऑडियो फाइल जो हमने रेफरेंस में दी है. नेक्स्ट, ब्राउज़र सपोर्ट. द numbers in the table specify that the first browser version that fully support the element. Means this table display the first browser version that fully support audio tag. Next, example of audio tag. Here audio tag inside body and /body tag, audio, then controls, then autoplay. Controls attribute display the controls on web page. Next, autoplay. This attribute run the audio as soon as it is launched on website. Next, src is equal to examples/audio/birds.mp3. Then /audio/body/html. अगर यहाँ पे जो फाइल दी है src के सामने वो रन नहीं होती है तो उसके जगह ऑडियो फाइल की जगह आपको ये मैसेज डिस्प्ले होगा, यूर ब्राउज़र डज नॉट सपोर्ट HTML5 ऑडियो टैग. Then next, source tag in audio tag. The audio tag contains one or more sources. So source tag with different audio sources. The browser will choose the first source it supports. Here is example with alternative sources. Here first audio, then controls attribute inside audio tag. Because of this controls attribute, controls will display on web page. Next, source tag. Source src is equal to address of first audio file. Then type is equal to audio or mpeg. Next, source src is equal to next address of mp3 file. Then /audio. इससे क्या होगा, हमने यहाँ पे दो ऑडियो फाइल सोर्स के आगे लिखे हैं, सोर्स टैग में लिखे हैं, उसके src एट्रीब्यूट के आगे. उससे क्या होगा, अगर आपका ब्राउज़र सपोर्ट नहीं करता होगा फर्स्ट ऑडियो फाइल को, देन it will try for second audio file, and if it not support both files, then it will display your browser does not support HTML5 audio element. Thank you.